Have you seen your video of Easter week?
We are going to show you
Our Easter week.
in Balmaseda.
Balmaseda's Easter is the most famous of Vizcaya.
It's celebrated on Thursdays and Fridays. Ánimo.
50,000 people come to see it every year. Adults, kids, and teenagers do it in 3 different days.
And here you have some videos to see.